Hello, I am Pankaj Sharma from PM Expert. In this video, I will walk you through how to fill the PMI PgMP application form. We will go section by section with clear visuals and practical tips. Section 1 is basic information and education. You will enter contact details and your highest education level. The education level changes the required months of experience, so this part is critical. Section 2 is project management experience. Before you can show program management, you must show you managed projects. Focus on the project title, organization, dates, and your role. Make sure the total months reach 48 months in the last 15 years. Section 3 is the most important, program management experience. You must show that you led a program, meaning a group of related projects that together produce strategic benefits. We'll draw a program umbrella with related projects under it and label budget and alignment. Section 4 is the program management summaries, also called the 5 questions. Each answer should be around 200 to 300 words, using strong program management language. These 5 are strategic program management, program life cycle, benefits management, stakeholder management, and governance. Section 5 is review and submission. Check that your dates do not overlap in a way that reduces unique months. Be ready for an audit with references. You pay after the initial completeness check before panel review begins. Let's visualize the flow. Finally, here are tips for success. Use I statements to describe your actions, not the team's. Focus on strategy and benefits, not daily task tracking. And use standard program management terms such as governance board, benefit realization, and program roadmap. You now have a clear roadmap to complete your PgMP application. If you prepare your experience thoughtfully, your application will be strong. Thank you for watching.